What's up, y'all? We're checking out the helmet. Yeah, so we're gonna see how this works out. Oh, it's Friday. We're gonna go check out the bars tonight. Let's go check them out. See what's going on over here. Oh, let's roll. Hold on. It's Friday. We gotta go to Mode 2. One headlight. Whoa. I mean, sometimes I only, okay, but I'm gonna say sometimes I don't even know why I wait at these red lights, because they don't really change for the bikes. It's like they don't read the bike hitting the little line or whatever it's supposed to happen. Yeah, man, this ain't the right chin mount to go with it. I had to order, I ordered a chin mount from chinmount.com for the GoPro. So I did the fast delivery or whatever, all that stuff. It cost me a little bit more, but I want it fast. So I got that coming, but I just wanted to go out and test this thing and see how it works and what kind of view I get. What time is it? 11:55. It's kind of early. $12:30. It's like late to me. Let's roll out. Let's go down here. See what they doing downtown. Oh, I had to make sure my back light's on, cause sometimes I forget to cut that back light on. Like the video me and my son did, I had a back light, I just forgot to turn it on. So I was riding a long ways in the dark with that dang on back light off. It was on there, it just wasn't on. I was trying to make sure ain't nobody behind me. Yeah, I gotta get a microphone for this thing, man. This is a GoPro 7, so this is an old GoPro. I don't know what kind of microphone I need, but I ordered one. It's supposed to come tomorrow, so I'm gonna see how it works. But if it don't work out, I already think I'm about to buy a new GoPro. Well, a more up-to-date camera to do my so I can talk to y'all. Yeah. So we'll see how that works out. All right, I got somebody trying to get up on me, bro. They trying to get close to me. I don't like that. Illinois. Oh, la, 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 la. Well, they done changed so much stuff downtown. Oh, so different down here now. Well, they need to put a lot more clubs down here. They need to attract more people, more young people. There need to be more of crowds down here on the weekend. It's not enough crowds. Not enough. Bedrock burgers and things. I didn't even know about Bedrock and I stayed here. There's a lot of these little spots I don't know about. Yeah, man, Lakeland downtown is boring. They gotta get it jumping down here, man. They gotta open up some clubs downtown. It is so boring down here sometimes. I mean, most of the time. Unless it's probably like a big event. They do their first of the month stuff. It need to be something every weekend jumping down here. So then we got this game room right here. This thing's supposed to be jumping, bro. Look how mild it is. Straight up mild. Gotta go to Tampa or Orlando. I would. It's boring in Lakeland, bro. Shoot. 5,000. This thing keep popping up on my phone. But that's gonna be my next build though. I gotta get me a fat tire bike. Go. I'm crossing over. I ain't waiting at that light that long. Friday night. What do you get on a Friday night in Lakeland? Man. If I had the money, I'd build my own little club, bro. It'll never shut down. If they let me, I'll be like, bro, I need every weekend I have that thing jumping. And Lakeland? What? And it's getting bigger around here. It's getting bigger in Lakeland too. They should have way more clubs. Way more little spots to hang out. Dude. Empire closed. This little spot be jumping on the weekend. They all inside, parking in the back. It's Lakeland, bro. Oh shoot. What they got? What they got? The juice bowl out there on the north side. We need to head out there. All right, I guess we're going to the juice bowl to the north side. See what's going on out here on the north side. I mean, we could ride through, ain't no thing. Ride to the north side. Man, I don't really go out, so I don't really know where no new spots there. I gotta start going to like find out where all these little clubs and stuff at. Cause I don't go out, so can't ask me where to go to go out. I don't. I know where stuff at, but I don't know where to go out at. Well, I know one thing, we could ride over there. Oh, they racing. They are racing. It's Friday night, man. They go. It's a lot of people go to racing on Friday. Yeah, man, for anybody that just tuned in, this ain't the right chin mount that go with this helmet. I ordered a chin mount from chinmount.com, so we're gonna make sure we get the right chin mount on here and see what happens with that, or change the view next time, you know, whatever. But it's my first time. Oh, okay. Oh, she is speeding. Why you in a hurry, mama? Dang, look, bro. I'm going 63, look. I need to catch up and ask her. Damn, baby. I can't have you whoop me on no Friday. I'm at 70, 71. She back down. There she go. Go ahead, baby. I wasn't gonna let you whoop me on no Friday. Not gonna happen. So, yeah, she gone. I let her go. You know, I ain't want to shock her. But I was letting her know you can't handle me any kind of way. Not tonight. She gone. I let her go. Cause she was just, I seen her coming up, you know. Let her do her thing. Wait. Oh, I missed the street. Yeah, I'm trying to get on this back street. Oh yeah, look at this. That's why I love having an e-bike. I can do this. All right, let's go. Yeah, man, she tried to do me up. I don't appreciate that, you know. All right, let's get into it. Let's go. Get back into it. I had to hit 70 on that. Stop playing with me. Like I won't try you. You know, I have proven, I don't care what you got, I would try you. I've proven that. I don't care what I'm on. I could be on a bike that goes 30 miles per hour. I would try you. Why I do that, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I think the bike is just fast. Oh man, that mess tempting. That is, he ain't got no lights on. He don't even he didn't have a back. I didn't see the back light. He may have lights. I ain't see no back light. Bro ain't got no lights on. Bro riding good with no lights. Oh well. Alright, mama, you gotta push the gas up there. There you go. Get on up there, girl. It's Friday. Oh man, she look like she been drinking. I hope not. Keep that thing under control up there. Rolling, baby. You know what? I'ma follow her. Make sure she get home safe. Get home safe. Nah, man. It feels so good tonight. Woo! Wish y'all was here with me. You know, I do a lot of solo riding, man. You know, I do a lot of that because got a crazy schedule. But when I do it, I'm here. Go, 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 go. I could have cut up that back street and went down, but we're gonna go see what this thing do. Look at it. Go! Where that juice? Oh, it's over there. Alright, I'm right down the street from this juice bowl thing. It's Friday. I don't really know where to go at in Lakeland on no Friday night. I'm telling you, it's got to get better than this in Lakeland. They need to get better than this like soon, for real. Like I should be naming like 5 spots in Lakeland that's jumping. Like bruh, on the weekend, special Friday, bruh, this spot jumping. Man, anybody that come in town. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay. I'm gonna put cases on both of you two. You think you could do this to me? Pull up to me? And some high-powered cars like them too? Alright. Alright. But this is going, uh-oh. Oh. To get that orange bowl, we got power. Nah, I'm gonna go by here. I can't do nothing with them two guys. You hear that? Look, look. Just when I thought I was gonna try to go out there and play. Nah, man. That's too much horsepower going on. Man, where the thing at? I passed it. God dang, man. I'm paying attention to them high-powered cars. Bro, this y'all little juice bowl thing. This juice bowl here on the north side. But y'all already got the police up here? I thought this where the spot was, man. The police up here. This y'all little spot? Y'all got the police up here? This the little juice bowl thing? Why the police up here? Ain't it look like some kids up here, man? They must be grown people in there. What's up, man? I don't know. I thought they were supposed to be grown people. It's kids up in here? Oh, it's a couple grown people in there. This what y'all be going to? Man. What side of the building? She said, what side of the building he on? I guess this y'all little fight y'all have on Friday. This where everybody be talking about the Jew Bowl on Friday. This supposed to be it. this I see that, man. Niggas back here parking in the back like this, so I guess this supposed to be it right here. It's crazy. Alright. I just want to ride through here. I see. Juice Bowl on a Friday. I had to ride through here because I heard a couple of people talking about it. You know, y'all be up here on Friday, the Juice Bowl up here. So, all right. I just wanted to ride through here. All right, we see what's going on. All right. Let me spread up out of here. Let's get back on this side. Oh, what that little spot is down there? I don't know. Yeah, man. We need more clubs and bars and hangouts. Where they at? I need to go to Tampa, Orlando and do a video, man, at nighttime. I need more action at night. That's why I need that. I need more places where the lights and people are out. Ain't nobody out, like enough people. It's people out, but it ain't enough. So. I got my EB Bike t-shirt on, my brother made. I got that on. Had to put that on a Friday. And I put it on, I'm gonna have it on. I got three brand new shirts. So I'm gonna have one on tonight and I'm gonna wear one Sunday when I do my ride, when I ride out on Sunday. Look at this dude, the Haitian dude looking at me. Yes, sir. Go ahead, move along, my friend, move along. Oh boy. At least there ain't a lot of traffic. Nice and chill. Nobody ain't. I don't see no drunk drivers yet. Oh no. Got one trying to get away from us tonight. There go the police sitting over there. See how that work out. If he come out, he gonna have to catch me tonight. I swear, if he move, I'm gone. Alright, he didn't move. I'm just being real tonight. At that moment, I still respect them, but at that time I would have been gone. That's all. Oh, you want to get on over? Thank ya. The pleasure is all mine. Limited pleasure is all mine. Thank you. Thank you. We are headed over here. Big old bus. Look at that dude at the red light with no lights. I guess Friday nights you just cut your lights off and nobody cares. Weird. No lights, man. That's very important. Hey, it's another thing I forgot to tell. Another thing I love about these e-bikes, especially the high-powered ones, like, I'm not saying nothing, but like when the police be posted up, they can't hear the bike coming, so they're not really looking up. A lot of them don't look up. They be minding their own business. You know, by the time I come by, it's too late. I am gone, but they can't hear it. It ain't loud like a motorcycle. You can't hear nothing. I mean, if you're standing somewhere and close to me, you can hear that little whoosh. But other than that, man, you can't hear this thing. Silent killer, baby. Every night need to be like this, man, cause it feels so good out here tonight. Wind blowing real, like it's got a nice little breeze out here tonight. Whew. I ain't complaining. What is this going the wrong way? He on an electric bike going the wrong way. That's how usually those things happen. They always be on the wrong side of the road, bro. These new e-bike riders. Yeah, I'm really thinking about like starting to do a lot of videos out of town. especially like Tampa and Orlando. I gotta get out of Lakeland, cause I pretty much know where to go. I know all the streets. I know all the little back ways. I pretty much know where to go at in Lakeland. I know. I mean, sometimes I ain't gonna say boring, but it get like I already know where to go. I done been everywhere since I was younger to now. So, but I love riding my e-bike, so we just gonna keep having fun. Oh, y'all don't see the little Mexican bar, the Mexican lady. Oh, that day. All right. Little mini bar over there. Not gonna turn for me. I took my regen off. Whoa. dead over here. They tried to keep that little club together. It didn't work. Wow. Ooh, I'm gonna need some more brake pads pretty soon. Ah. Yeah. Cheetos and fries. Hot Cheetos and fries. All right. What you got? What you got to say? All right. I gotta get some more gas, man. I ran out of gas on my gas powered bike. This ain't electric. This gas powered. I put 93 in this mug, and that's why I be able to do what I do. When it only happened when I put 93 in here. When I put that 93, it ride like that. But yeah, man, let me get up out of here. I'm finna get ready to go jump on it. I know I just did this, and it's what time it is? It's 12:30. Yeah, I gotta do a 3 o'clock in the morning video. So yeah, man, I'm finna get up out of here, and I will see y'all later.